Hi guys, here on my work bench I have a Gionee F100 motherboard. It came in for no power, so the customer said the phone just shut down and it no longer comes on, no charge. Okay, so after checking the motherboard, I noticed there was a short on the second pin after the positive pin. Okay, so here I am. I want to use my thermal camera to check to see where the short is coming from. As you can see on the DC supply, there's a short of 645 milliamps. So using my thermal camera, you can see the short is coming from the power IC. So the major short is coming from the what? Power IC. So that short is coming from the power IC. As you can see, it is glowing red. So meaning the power IC is dead. It needs to be replaced. So on the other hand, I've already removed the power IC. That's the power IC on the board. I've desoldered the power IC. So I'll need to look for another power IC from a donor board. So after looking for it, I've also fixed the power IC. So I had to this video is not complete, but I could not record the process. So these are just a few clips I could record because I was very busy. So after fixing the power IC, let's test and see if the job is successfully done. Okay, let's see if the job is successfully done. Okay, so guys, I am active. Bring jobs, guys. I am active anytime, any day. So I also put my contact on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me anywhere. Feel free to reach out to me from anywhere that you are. Okay, please, I want you guys to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have over 100 followers on my YouTube channel now. So I want to also use this medium to thank you guys for the engagement, for the likes and the comments. So now I've plugged in the charger. Let's see. Okay, you see it's charging fine now. It means the job is successful. Okay, just currently at 1%. The battery is very low, so you just have to wait for. Okay, so I just have to fast forward the video and try to plug it again to see if it will come up again. So that is the power, that is the dead power IC. So this Gionee F100 is mostly common with power IC failure. I have been fixing a lot of them of recent. Power IC issues, they are very common. So I want to power the board now. Let's see if it will come on. Yeah, you can see the phone is back to life, baby. Another happy customer at AB Telecoms. The customer is happy, so my OPay account is also happy. Gionee F100. So guys, I reside in Edo State. Feel free to send your jobs. If you are in Nigeria, any state, feel free to send in jobs. We'll do a bill and I'll fix and send it back to you. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'll be glad to help you out. Okay, so you can see the phone is working perfectly well. So I just had to do voiceover for this video. So I don't know the password to the phone, so I just had to go to the emergency access all the keys. So everything is working fine. So guys, remain blessed. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment,